guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. Got a quick video. I want to talk to you about some rifle ammunition. I've been using this, over the last couple rifle matches that I shot, 3-gun matches, and we took some of this out to try some long distance. We didn't go too deep. We just went out to 100 yards, but we had some success with it. Seemed to be a new up-and-coming company, so I just want to share and bring you guys aware to their product. The website you can find this is Block Tactical. That's BLOK Tactical.com. Okay, they're offering rifle ammo, 300 blackout, and a variety of other calibers. This particular ammo here is called their Match Trainer. Sorry for that. Match Trainer is the name of this ammo. Just give you a lot of you probably asking what is a Match Trainer. Well, these are remanufactured once fired brass. Okay, so you can see they're not. I mean, my one gripe was that they're just a tad bit cleaner. But when you're expecting remanufactured ammo, stuff that you're going to use for practicing, the brass is not that big of a deal. As long as there's a good primer, there's a good powder charge, there's a great bullet coming behind it, you should see some good accuracy, and it's reliable enough as long as that primer's set right. Okay. More on the bullets. This is a 75 grain boat tail hollow point round. Okay. So pretty decent round. Kinetic range is the particular what they're calling their ammunition line. They're going to be offering match grade ammo, which is going to be top of the line components with new brass, new primers, etc.